Today, I'd like to show you our 5 favorite travel safety things we use while we're RVing. Hi, my name is Jim and we are AirStreamer. And on this channel, we have a number of different videos, including exciting travel videos where we show you exciting places to be and how to get there the entire trip along the way. We also have campground reviews and some equipment reviews like our video today. Our first piece of safety gear that we highly recommend is a portable generator. If you do any boondocking or dry camping, a generator could be an essential piece of equipment for you to be safe. With a generator, you have the ability to run your rig entirely on AC power, and that would mean your air conditioning. For safety, we've chosen the AirStreamer 4500 PDM generator. Now, this is a dual fuel generator because one of the safety things I consider is not transporting a gallon or two of gasoline in our truck. I don't like the idea of gasoline sloshing around in the back of the truck. So we chose this AirStreamer generator, which is dual fuel. It can run off of gasoline or off of propane. AirStreamer does supply a standard propane hose with the propane canister connect that'll fit a 20 or 30 pound canister of propane. For our needs, I've chosen to not carry the additional 20 pound canister, again, in the back of our truck, but have chosen to run it off the quick connect on our Airstream. Very simply, I have a quick connect adapter that connects right to the front of the generator, and then we can use a hose that'll connect to the quick connect and to the propane outlet on the Airstream. Of course, any RV that has a quick connect on the outside, it's already running through the regulator, so you don't need the second regulator. That'll make it too low of a gas flow. Now, it does require a decent hose for this to work this way, and I'll put a link to all these products in the description and probably flashing up on the screen right now as well. But this is a hose that provides enough flow for the gas that the generator will run. Let's take a look at how this generator operates. We had the chance to use it in the field recently. Dry camping last night at West Penal RV Park here in beautiful Arizona. Ran our batteries a little bit low, so it's time to break out the generator and get them charged up. We're using our new AirStreamer generator, and it is a dual fuel. So we're going to quick connect it to our propane outlet on the Airstream. I paced off about 21 feet from the AirStreamer generator. I downloaded a couple of decibel meters. We'll take a look at one of them right now. Under 72 decibels, except when I'm talking, and then we go up to about 90. So I guess I'm pretty loud. Another great thing about this AirStreamer dual fuel generator is that it has an automatic switchover. If you have gasoline in it and are running off propane, whichever fuel it's running on, when it runs out, it'll automatically switch over to the other. So you could be running this on gasoline, and then when the gasoline runs out, it'll automatically switch over and start running off of the propane. We highly recommend the AirStreamer 4500 PDM dual fuel generator. Another piece of gear that we found incredibly valuable while on the road is some type of a portable power station. And the portable power station that we've chose is the Pecron E1000 LFP. Let's face it, there are times in the field when you don't want to use a noisy generator, and a portable power station like this may be exactly what you need. These have a built-in inverter and can supply clean AC power for hours for anything that you might need electricity for. They can also be used to recharge your DC powered devices, such as your cell phone or digital cameras that you may have. We had a chance to use this in the field when we were dry camping in Quartzsite, and we actually used it to cook soup for a potluck dinner. Let's take a look at how that came out.
so we've got the Instant Pot plugged into the Pecron. How do I turn this on?
So the power button that's right there, see it right by the screen? It's right
here?
there. Yep.
Okay.
You're just gonna push and hold that till it lights up. There you go. And how much power does it say we have right now?
95%.
95. All right. And then you have to turn on the AC. See the button there, it says AC, and yeah.
Hold it.
Yep. And it should, there it goes. See, it just lit up a little different.
And the Instant Pot just came on.
Nice.
Okay, so then I just...
You're gonna use, it's just like it's plugged in a wall now.
Yeah, so I just set it to, I want to saute. Start. All right, well, we're gonna see, we just got back, and let's see what we have left.
It says there's 2 minutes left in your timer.
2 minutes to cook, and we're at 3%.
Yeah, almost there, and it's drawing no power. How many hours does it say right underneath that 0?
2.0.
Hours.
Yeah.
Theoretically possible yet at a 0% draw or 0 watt draw.
Right, but 1 minute and we can call it done, and then it did it.
Yeah.
Yay!
So do you want to open it up, see what it looks like? Get a spoon, stir it up maybe?
Okay.
It has 5 20 amp outlets on the front, plus the ability for DC power. And they even have an accessory battery, an expansion pack that you can plug into this to provide even more or longer lasting power for any AC power or DC power needs that you might have. A portable power station can give you peace of mind for clean and quiet AC power, boondocking, or anywhere on the road, anywhere where you can't plug in. Oh, and to keep this charged up, we carry it in the back seat of our truck, of our tow vehicle, and have it plugged into what we used to call the cigarette lighter outlet, now the power port outlet. It stays 100% charged this way all the time. And Michelle and I highly recommend the Pecron E1000 LFP. Definitely AirStreamer approved. Another great piece of safety gear we carry with us at all times is a tire inflator, and we've chosen the Ettenwolf tire inflator. It comes in this great bag, very nice. All the accessories you need are in here. And the Ettenwolf tire inflator comes with everything that you need. Even the hose to inflate your tires with the standard valve is pre-attached onto the unit right there. The dial on the front controls everything. You turn it on to stop and start, select your mode, and it will remember the needed pressure or your preferred pressure for your tow vehicle tires and your RV tires. It's super convenient. You just set up the pressure that you need for your tires, screw this onto the valve, press start, and walk away. The Ettenwolf will shut off when the tire has reached the pressure that you pre-programmed in. And there's enough battery power. I've tested it. I've done all 4 tires on our truck and our rig off of one charge. Let's take a look at the Ettenwolf in action. Comes with a quick connect to lock right on the valves on your tires. Of course, a charger and a charging cable. USB-C charging. You could use any of your high quality, high output USB-C outlets to charge the Ettenwolf tire inflator. It's safety gear like this that gives Michelle and I peace of mind when we're on the road. One of my favorite pieces of gear that provides safety and real peace of mind for me when driving down the road is our HaloView BT10 TPMS. I mean, look at this. Instead of having your dash cluttered up with things, one simple unit that attaches directly over the rearview mirror of your tow vehicle. In it is integrated TPMS and rear camera. right where you expect to look. And it's even a front silvered surface, so it's a mirror as well. So if you're not towing and you don't have it on, it actually is a mirror. You don't have to take this off. It works just like a mirror when you're driving. And a while back, we did an install video on this amazing BT10 TPMS camera. You have a recording rear view camera and a recording dash camera and tire pressure monitoring right here, all in one device, out of the way where you normally have your rear view mirror anyway. So it's a place you're used to looking. And this totally eliminates all that dashboard clutter. No TPMS monitor sitting on your dashboard, no rear view camera sitting on your dashboard, just an unobstructed view of everything in front of you as you're driving down the road. Safety first. And one of my favorite features of the HaloView BT10 TPMS is the front-facing camera. It works as a dash cam the whole time you're driving, recording the entire drive, because if there ever is a critical event or an accident that happens, a dash cam like this could save your bacon, literally. The BT10 TPMS absolutely gives me total peace of mind driving down the road. It's like having a rear view mirror on the truck with an invisible trailer behind. What a great thing. And it's right where you normally look anyway. Another item of safety gear we highly recommend are the gas stop emergency propane gas shutoffs that can be installed on your propane tanks. Propane obviously is a very highly flammable gas, and you're carrying one or two large canisters of this usually on your rig. There's propane hoses that may be exposed underneath your rig, and at any time they could be hit by a stone while you're driving, or some catastrophic thing could happen. The gas stop shuts off the gas instantly if there's a high pressure leak. Let's open this up and show you how the gas stops are installed and how they operate. The gas stops are installed right at the outlet of your propane tank. They simply screw right onto the propane tank, and they have a gauge that lists the pressure of the propane in the tank. Then, especially for our needs with the Airstream, they have these great stainless steel right angle hoses that can turn sharp enough that it fits inside the shroud over our propane tanks and then ties right in to your regulator or switch valve. So I have this installed right now. So let's remove this. I've closed down the OPD valve on our tank, and we'll open this up. And if you watch, you should be able to see this gauge go to low. Right there. So this is the magic right here. This is the gas stop emergency propane shutoff. And again, it simply installs right on the tank. And if we open our tank up, it'll start to pressurize. Now we have to prime this, which is pressing this 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then it shows, as long as your gas is in the green for normal gas pressure, or even a bit into the yellow, a little bit of a high gas pressure, we know we're okay. But what happens when we have a catastrophic loss of gas? This gas stop valve will shut off the flow and the supply to the rig, keeping you and your rig safe from any catastrophic loss of propane or risk of fire. We highly recommend the gas stop and these right angle stainless steel jacketed propane hoses.
Well, that was our 5 favorite items that keep us on the road safely and gives us great peace of mind when we're traveling.
So this was our 5 items that we chose. What did we miss?
What are the things that give you peace of mind down the road? Let us know in the comments below what your favorites are.
We really want to know. We really want to know your thoughts. And I'm Jim.
I'm Michelle.
And together we are AirStreamer.
And we'll see you down the road.
I was going to say we'll see you down the road.
Oh,
But you said
I
it.
said it.
You said it. Doesn't matter. One of us or both of us hope to see you down the road.
You always have to have the last word. He does. See you down the road.